Good morning, boys and girls. How you doing? It's Trader Deraa. So quickly, we're going to look at EurUsd and see the opportunity available. So right now we have an Asian range broken, and all I'll be looking for is for price to make a retracement back into the stop, and we'll be selling targeting 1:5 RR. And that is all I have for today. Right, guys, that is all I have for today. Very easy, very easy. This is just a simple trade situation I have for today. I won't be doing anything else but this. Alright, so I'll place the order right now. I'm going to send this to the group. Right, I'll send this to the group and inform them that this is all Trader Deraa has for Tuesday, the 19th of March 2024. Let me send this to them. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Have a wonderful day.